edge, where he appeared as Scott comes out right. Mistake if he goes towards again, initiation. Keeps the foot down.
Coming on the board, back on moving on it. As man got Martin out of the man that
Now and again, proximity can come into this one as Barker has gripped that car up so much. He's barely making it in drive mode because he's driving away now. So he's going to make mistakes. Both cars banging flames as they come into the final few out of zones right now. Dominic Gage's not doing a bad job of that qualifying run, but look at Luke Barker. Almost leaving the car mark on the door as he pushes.